So we're going to show you here on Instagram. If you look on the top left little icon where there's that thumbnail and the plus sign, that's where you're going to press to add to your story. So we're going to press right there. Then if you look down here, right here where this thumbnail is, where the pictures are, you can click that. And then we're going to go over and we're going to select this little wallpaper here. And you can swipe, you can do different effects on it here. We're going to get rid of that date here, drag and drop. Then if you look down here where it shows the Instagram thumbnail and Facebook. So it's going to go to both of those if you click that thumbnail. So we're going to click that thumbnail and it's going to post to both of those stories. We can do more things as well with the Wordle app, so you can move things that you've created from Wordle or some of the other apps that have motion video stories to be more interactive, and that's what we really want to do. We want to have engaging things to post. So that's how you do it.